We are Iowa's most accurate forecast.
Muggy weather is the theme over the next couple of days, with our high temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90. Then storm chances will arrive one round late tomorrow night, and then a possibility late on Sunday night too. Lower humidity comes in over the weekend though, with highs both Saturday and Sunday in the 80s. We've got a hazy start to our day here in central Iowa. The moon had a reddish glow, a reddish tint to it earlier today. That's because of some of the wildfire smoke that is again overhead in our sky. It's not really affecting the air quality, but it will still be something that we notice. By tomorrow, it'll really start to thin out across much of the state of Iowa. We expect to see sunshine through 10 a.m., 81 degrees. It'll become partly cloudy through the afternoon, with those highs eventually getting up into the upper 80s. Now, the dew points are high, mid to upper 60s this morning, which means there's plenty of humidity out there. Temperatures as a result are warmer, mid to upper 60s. Meanwhile, we have 70 on the nose here in Des Moines. We warm up a lot today, mid to upper 80s. We should climb to 89 in Des Moines. Most everybody between about 86 and 89 degrees. And then it's tomorrow that is still hot and humid, but the day that we watch for storms. We've got a level 2 risk out for a good chunk of Iowa. This is not meaning that everyone will see severe weather, but there will be a pretty strong line that moves across our state from west to east tomorrow night. That line will be capable of producing strong, damaging wind gusts. We could also have some large hail there, and we can't totally rule out an isolated tornado, but I do think that threat will be greatest in western Iowa, and only for a short, brief period of time. Here's how this all plays out. By noon tomorrow, we will see a couple of isolated showers and storms, but most of us will be dry during the first part of the day. By 6 p.m. tomorrow, it starts to get going in western and northwestern Iowa, eventually forms a line by about 9 p.m. from Council Bluffs up towards Fort Dodge and Algona, and it spreads east through the night, knocking on the door in central Iowa, including the Des Moines Metro after 10 p.m. By 1 o'clock in the morning, it's now east of I-35, and it continues to race across the state. By Saturday at sunrise, we are dry with no major problems. As far as rain potential goes, some spots will be lucky and fortunate to get an inch or maybe an inch and a half, but many areas will stay below 1 inch. It really just depends on the heaviest pockets in that line of storms. A look at our 10-day forecast shows more storm chances on Sunday night and Tuesday night, with highs in the 90s early next week.